Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a hard drive inside your computer. So here's my hard drive. It's a SATA 500 gigabyte hard drive. Serial ATA, however you want to say it. So we're going to take off the sticker. Okay. Now I have a toolless computer, so it might be different for you. Take all this out. Comes with software if you already have an operating system installed. But here is the hard drive. Put all this over here. So here's the hard drive. It's still in its anti-static wrap. So just take off the sticker if you can, just like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna put all the SATA and SATA power and SATA data right here in the aiming towards the back, so I can get good cable management. So you just if you have a toolless case, you're just gonna go like this, put it inside there. And then you flip your case around towards the back, just like this. And there's my here's my SATA power and my SATA data. So the contents of the package are like right here. So here's my Molex to SATA power, and then here's my SATA data cable. So we're just going to plug this SATA power to Molex right here, or Molex to SATA power. We're going to bring the this Molex into here, and just plug it in there, like that. And then take your SATA data, and then you plug that into your SATA data. Just like this. See? You should hear a click. Okay, now we're gonna just drop this into here. And we're gonna spin the computer around. Move all this stuff out of the way. And then you should have your SATA data ports right here. I'll just bring this in here and then plug it in here. Just like that. And that's as easy as it is.